flow is the lifeblood of any business, and having access to cash is kind of like the lungs. If you're a business owner, you know this and you know it all too well. When you don't have access to cash or cash flow, it feels like you're suffocating. So the question is, as a business owner, how do you position yourself so you have the lifeblood and the lungs of your business working together all the time? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
I'm Tim Urich. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos twice every single week.
Recently, Intuit did a survey of business owners all over the world, and they found that 61% of all businesses struggle with cash flow, and 69% of business owners admitted to losing sleep or sleeping less due to cash concerns. Some businesses are seasonal, and their cash flow operates on a cyclical basis. Some quarters they have cash, other quarters they're a little light on cash. On the other hand, some companies have chronic cash flow issues. It seems like they're always playing catch up, or they never have enough cash to take care of either running their business or growing their business.
Either way, it could feel like you're always putting out cash flow fires. It could feel like your business is suffocating, and that could be very stressful. It all comes from cash flow not being as efficient as possible.
Over the past 37 years, I've worked with small business owners, I've worked with families. One thing I've determined is that their cash flow issues don't have to be. It all stems from an inefficient way of utilizing their cash and their cash flow.
You see, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep that really matters. What are you doing to maintain wealth within your business so that you're off the debt cycle and you're not dependent on external things in order to have smooth cash flow? It all starts with building a warehouse for your wealth. Leave us a comment down below. Are you experiencing cyclical or chronic cash flow issues? So let's talk about the qualities we want in this warehouse for our wealth. Number one, we want tax advantages. We're business owners after all. Number two, we want guaranteed access. We want to be in control of the cash and the cash flow going in and out of this warehouse.
Number three, we want a reasonable rate of return. We don't need to hit a home run, but we want to make sure that our money is working for us 24/7.
You see, we believe there's more opportunity in avoiding the losses than picking the winners. Meaning that if you could make your cash flow more efficient and make this warehouse for your wealth as efficient as possible, you don't need to hit it out of the park with investments. You're able to maintain your wealth, keep it safe, keep it within your business, keep it within your family, and still accomplish your goals with guaranteed access to that money. But what does that guaranteed access actually mean for you? Well, it means that you could take back the financing function of your business. Imagine not having to be dependent on banks and creditors in order to make major purchases within your business. Now, imagine being able to restructure your current debts to build this warehouse of wealth, to finally be in control of your cash flow so you don't have these chronic or cyclical cash flow dry spells.
But you see, the first step is creating that warehouse of wealth. Because if you don't have the warehouse, you don't have a pool of money that you could access, everything else is out the window. You no longer have control. You no longer have uninterrupted compounding.
So let's talk about the warehouse. What we talk about on our channel is a specially designed whole life insurance policy designed for cash accumulation, where you're able to store and warehouse your wealth, build up that cash over time, and leverage it in the future without interrupting the compounding of interest on your money. You see, the money never actually leaves the life insurance policy. A lien is placed against the cash value and a separate loan is taken out from the insurance company. It's a loan, so naturally there's no tax to access that money through the loan, and you as the business owner get to decide the repayment terms. What this translates to is a tool that you're able to use as a business owner to function within your business to relieve the cash flow stress that 61% of you are facing and ultimately build a warehouse of wealth for your business and your family. If you're ready to relieve your financial stress and build a warehouse of wealth for your business and your family, be sure to check out these 2 videos. We picked them out special for you. If you want to learn more about exactly how we put this to work for our clients, check out our free webinar, The 4 Steps to Financial Freedom.
Remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters.